She's so cute. Aww. I'll get the things off.
Welcome back to our channel, guys. Welcome back to Aliyah and Mommy LDR. Ayan. Happy weekend ulit sa aming mga ka-YouTube at mga ka-birds dito sa UAE. Unfortunately, we've been so busy this past few weeks kasi nga, trabaho, minsan kahit weekend, trabaho pa din. So, for the meantime, eto muna, dun muna tayo sa aking backup, si Aliyah. For the first time, na-convince ko siya to make her vlog. And she's gonna vlog the unboxing of her baby alive, baby girl alive. She just received it from Lazada. And she said that she got so excited. Ang kaniyang tawag sa akin dito sa office. And she's gonna show you her unboxing. And then, for those who are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and put on your comments. And also yung bell button natin so you'll get notified on my next videos, on our next videos. So hopefully you're gonna see Aliyah once in a while in her channel this time. Let's watch her.
Guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Aliyah. And we're gonna be opening my doll. Wait. Okay, I got it. Wait. Wait. There you go. I went to a different angle because I can't fit on the camera. If you're using a knife, ask an adult to help you. Wait. Okay. I opened it. See if it's a good one. It's noisy. Wait.
Lana.
Guys. got it. She's cute. I'll open her up. I shouldn't probably do this outside, but it's noisy inside. So here I am. Wait. It's hard to take off. Wait. I got it off her. Now I need to put this one. We need to do the legs. Here she is. She's so cute. Wait, there's string on her hand. Let me cut it. Yeah. Okay, done. She's so cute. Aww. I'll get the things off. Wait.